Today on How To Blinds, we'll be showing you how to install your manual and motorised double bracket roller blind. First, we'll mark out our drill holes to fit the brackets. Each bracket drill hole position must be at least 75mm from both sides of the recess. Now we can drill our holes using a 6mm drill bit and insert our plugs. Screw in your brackets, ensuring the tab is between the blind and the window frame. We'll just show you a reference as to where the bracket clips onto the grooves on the cassette. So we'll clip our cassette into the brackets. Now we'll install the chain diverter. The chain diverter should already be attached to your chains, so that you just need to line it up with the screw holes and use a 1.5mm Allen key to secure. Now we can check the operation of the double bracket. We can now move on to the motorised double bracket. Clip the cassette into the brackets the same way as previous. The limits in the blind will already be set. Due to there being two blinds, you'll now have to select the channels assigned to each blind. So if I select channel 1 and press down, the voil will move down to the lower limit. And if I select channel 2 and press down, the blockout will also move to the lower limit. To operate both blinds at the same time, scroll across the channels until all 6 illuminate, and press up to send both blinds to the top. And that's how to install your manual and motorised double bracket roller blind. To learn how to set intermediate limits, or for more tips and tricks on motorised blinds, click the annotation on screen now for our motorised guides. Thanks for watching, and remember to like and subscribe for more on How To Blinds.